Hello to all my garden friends, this is Miss Ann, and today I am starting my seeds at home in recyclable containers. I have egg cartons, which are awesome because they have separate spots where you can plant and grow your seeds. This is a sour cream container that I recycled, and I put holes in the bottom of it so it will have drainage so the water won't stay in the container, and you can use the lid as a saucer. I have potting soil that I mixed some of my compost into it. I have scissors that we're going to need, a pin so I can mark down what I planted where. I have cling wrap because we're going to make like little greenhouses, and I have lots of seeds. So I have my seeds planted. I'll show you what I did with the egg carton. I trimmed the edge off and the lid off so they're removable. I wrote on both ends, these are sandwich tomatoes, and I also wrote on the lid of the carton. And it's pretty cool using an egg carton because what you can do once your plants have germinated and you're ready to plant them outside, you can cut each egg section and then just plant that egg section in the ground because the egg carton is going to decompose. So I'm going to set this back in here. Now in my sour cream container, both of them I have basil, but this is sweet basil and this one is mammoth, and I have it marked. And what I did, I made 4 holes with my fingers, and I planted 4 seeds. A couple of the holes I put double seeds just in case if one of them doesn't come up. And when they do come up, you can pull one of the plants out so it'll have plenty of room. Now this is going to be really interesting because I've never done this before. This is the paper towel tubes, as you can see. And how I did this is I cut them into sections, and I held that section and I packed it full of dirt in my hand, and I packed the bottom of it real good and the top, and then I put it on my little tray. So I'm going to leave them on my tray until I'm ready to plant them. I also wanted to tell you, since the garden centers here are closed, if you have older seeds that are a few years old, you can use those. This is fun learning, and we're going to see if they grow. Most of the time my seeds do grow. I have used some seeds that are 5 years old and they're fine. So the next step I'm going to do is take them in the house, and I am going to water them really good. I will take the egg carton out of the lid and just put it in the sink and water it, and be real careful because as the egg carton gets wet, it's going to decompose, and we don't want it to decompose too fast. So you don't want to soak them, you just want to give them a good watering. And with the sour cream containers, we have holes on in the bottom, and you want to water them real good too. And the paper towel tubes, you'll have to be very careful with too when you water them. Now I'm back inside, and I watered our seeds, and I also put clear wrap over them to make them like little greenhouses. And then I did the same thing to the basil, to the sour cream container. This is pretty snug. Oh, I watered it first, and then I put the saran wrap on it. Now, I'm doing an experiment. I have never planted seeds in paper towel tubes before. So I'm not going to cover them up because I think it'll be difficult. We're just going to see how fast they will sprout. So today is Tuesday, April 14th. In 1 week, we'll check back and see how our seeds are doing.